friends, welcome to AnkitTechVibes channel. Today we are going to discuss about other important operations on the list which are required to solve complex programming questions. So let's start. Uh, our first important operation. Before that, let's take a list of cities. Let's say cities where we will put city names: Mumbai, Delhi, Bhopal, Indore, Jaipur, Nagpur, and Surat. Okay, this is our list. So our first operations that we will perform on this list is slice operator. Slice operator. Slice operator. So slice operator basically helps to extract specific portion of a sequence. Sequence may be list, tuple, or string. So let's see. Our our first operation is slice using slice operator. So we want to print the first three element of this list. So we will slide we will slice the existing list which is from here to here. So slice this list up to Bhopal. Okay. So and we will store. So how to slice? List name, then square brackets. Inside it we have three parameters. Here the starting index, ending index, which is not included, and this is step size. So we want first three starting from 0. You can mention 0, or by default it start with 0 index, start from 0 index. So we want to print up to Bhopal city. So Bhopal is at index 2, so we need to put index here 3 because 3 will not be included. Okay, and we are going to assign to a variable x, then simply print x, save it and run. So yeah, we got the first three element of the list using slice operator. This slice operator can also print the elements by leaving a gap of one city. Like if you want to print the whole list but gap of one element in between starting from Mumbai. Okay, so put here step size, that is 2. This will print cities by a gap of a city by leaving one city unprinted. So let's see what is the output. Yeah, the output is here. We can see first element is printed, which is at index 0, then index at 2 is printed, index at 4 is printed, index at 6 is printed. So there is a gap. Okay, so this is how we can print using slice operator. Now next operation we are going to see is about membership operator. Membership operator. Membership operators are in and not in. So membership operator can be applied to list or tuple. Okay, so basically this will check in the list whether the given element is present in the list or not. If it is present, in the case of in membership operator, it will print true, and if the city is not present in the list, it will return false. Whether but in the case of not in, if the element is not present in the list, then it will print true, and if it is printed, if it is inside our list, then it will print false. So let's see how this function will happen. So we are writing the membership operator statement in the print so that it will it will display the output. So we want to check if Jaipur is in our list or not in cities. So save it, run it. So as you can see in our output that Jaipur in the city is present. Since Jaipur is present in our list, so in membership operator returns true. Suppose any city which is not in our list, suppose Kota, okay, then save it and run it. Here we are getting output as false because Kota is not in our list, and not in operator functions opposite not in, uh, not in, because Kota is not present in our list, so it will print true. Okay, true. And if like Bhopal, since Bhopal is present in our list, so it should give the output false, okay, because we are using not in membership operator. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So our next operation is very small operations but very important, like len method, min method and max method. First of all, len method is used to find out the number of items present in a sequence list or tuple. So in our list, let's see how many items are present. So inside parenthesis we will put our list name. Okay, save it, run it. So it is giving output 7. That means our list has 7 elements. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now next method or function, min function will return the city which has lowest alphabet letter. So let's see what comes in our output. Save it and run. We can see first print statement gives the length of the list, and second print statement gives the city has which has lowest alphabetical letter from left to right, from left to right. Comparing this function compares every letter, every first letter, every city's first letter. If both cities have same first letter, then it compares second letter of the cities. So this work like this. Now our third function or third method is max. Max work exactly opposite what min does. So it will give the city which has the highest alphabetical letter, that is towards Z alphabet letter, by comparing the first letter, second letter of each cities. So we can see that as Surat is our city which has the highest letter S in all cities in our list. So this is basic functions: length, min, max. We are going to see the operation of how to reverse the list. Reverse the list. Okay. So here, if we reverse the list, the Surat will come at first place, Nagpur at second, Jaipur third, and likewise. And Mumbai will be at the end of the list. Okay. So let's see. To reverse the list, we have two methods or two ways. So first one, using a reverse function or method. So list name, first write list name cities dot reverse and then print the original string again. So this statement has reversed the content of the list, if this list, and if we print the list, it will give output in reverse order. You can see that Surat has come at first place. Now the second method, let's comment this statement, because if we implement second and second way, then it will reverse this list, and in the print statement we will get the original string. So we don't want that. So we have commented this statement. Okay. Next is using slice operator. Yes, we can reverse the string using slice operator. So see here, x is the element, x is the variable where we assign the reversed list of reverse list. Okay, to reverse we need to step count -1. Okay, so this index is -1. From backward it start with -1, and from forward it start with 0 index. So we have started from here. Okay, now print this x variable, which is ultimately a list. So save it and run it. Yeah, we can see that our output is this. Okay, sorting list. So sorting list, whether in ascending or descending, so we will see both case. Okay, so write list name cities dot sort. This this statement will sort the list in ascending order by default. That is, in alphabetical order. Let's see. Please save, run. Yeah, we can see that our list has these items, these cities, and the output has these cities in ascending order, like B comes first, then D, then I, then J, so according to alphabet. What if we want it from print in reverse sorted order, like Surat come first, Nagpur, Mumbai, like this? So we just have to make one change right here. Reverse equal to true. Save it, run it. So we can see that it has been sorted in descending, converting one sequence type to another sequence type, like from tuple to list, list to tuple, string to list or tuple. So let's see. Type conversion. Okay, first we will see how to convert a tuple into list. Tuple into list. So to convert it, let's take this list again. Okay, so uh, let's first make this list into tuple. Tuple is represented in parentheses, using parentheses. So putting these data inside parentheses will make this list into a tuple to list we are going to convert. So let's do list, this is list name only. So we want to convert it into list. Write list keyword and inside it put the list, the tuple name, that is cities. Run it. Let's first print so that we can get output. Save it and run it. We can see that our initial sequence was tuple, and in our output we are getting list sequence, which is represented by square brackets. Okay, so here we have converted this into list. Now if I want to convert list into tuple, so tuple we can list into tuple. Okay, so instead of writing list, write tuple, then print the tuple we get. Save it, run it. Yeah, here we have list, which is represented by square brackets, but in our output we get parentheses, which is the representation of tuple, right? Now what if we want to convert string into list, so to do that, uh, ignore this sequence. Let's take input or initialize string str1. See, this is our string name, and in string I'm writing AnkitTechVibes. So we are going to make this string we are going to convert this string into list str. We have not printed, so print, save it, again run it. So here we can see that every character in our list, in our string, has been converted into items of list. Okay. Similarly, we can convert string into tuple. So instead of writing list here, write tuple, and again save it and run. So output is inside tuple. So every character is the item of every item inside this sequence is item of tuple, right? So with this we have completed our list data type in Python. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.